Hello everyone! Let's imagine an adventurous journey where we not only explore the wild beauty of powerful crocodiles, but also witness the process of turning them into fascinating dishes. Today, let's explore the modern crocodile meat processing factory in Brazil with Sun Farm to understand more about this process. Crocodiles, with their strength and survival instincts, are not just natural creatures, but also significant symbols in human culture. The practice of hunting crocodiles isn't just an exciting experience, but also an opportunity to showcase hunting skills and honor the deep connection between humans and nature. From religious rituals to traditional festivals, crocodiles have become targets for hunting for meat and skins in various regions worldwide. Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Americas are all involved in crocodile farming industries, utilizing modern technology to produce meat, skins, and premium products from these creatures. In today's era, the crocodile farming industry has become a large-scale sector, with many farms and breeding facilities emerging. This industry brings an estimated economic value ranging from $60 to $70 million. An important part of this process is crocodile egg incubation, a special and crucial event. Crocodile eggs are incubated for about 90 days before hatching, and upon hatching, they are small but full of potential. Newly hatched baby crocodiles are tiny, only about the size of a finger and as long as one. In the first few minutes after hatching, they move very slowly and weakly. However, with excitement, they quickly revive and develop hunting instincts. This process isn't just about caring for and nurturing crocodile individuals, but also about maintaining and developing this industry. For crocodile farmers, meticulous care and patience are crucial factors in nurturing and protecting the lives of these creatures, from egg incubation to maturity. Food for crocodiles isn't just part of their daily diet, but also a crucial factor in determining their health and development. Crocodile farmers often establish specialized nutritional regimes tailored to the specific needs of these animals. Among the common food sources for crocodiles, poultry and fish often dominate. Poultry, such as chicken or duck, is considered a high-quality protein source, providing energy and essential nutrients for the development and maintenance of crocodile muscles. Fish, such as salmon, are also favored for their high protein content and beneficial omega-3 fatty acids for their health. Additionally, beef is often used in the crocodile's diet, especially during rapid development stages. Beef provides a large amount of protein and minerals while also supplying energy for their daily activities. Crocodile farming experts often closely monitor the development, weight, and health of crocodiles. Based on these parameters, they adjust the crocodile's diet, which may include adjusting the amount of food and other necessary nutrients such as vitamins and minerals. This ensures that crocodiles will grow strong and healthy while providing high-quality raw materials for the crocodile skin and meat industry. In professional crocodile farms, with neat and sturdy cages, dedicated farmers care for crocodiles, raising them from tiny hatchlings to giants, with relentless care and patience. Every day they step into the world of crocodiles, checking each one to ensure they are nurtured healthily and safely. From providing nutritious food to preserving the living environment, every activity is carried out with dedication and profound knowledge of the biology of crocodiles. When it comes time for harvest, they continue to demonstrate skill and delicacy in the meat processing process, ensuring that each piece of meat is the result of careful consideration and respect for life. This is not just about obtaining a nutritious food source, but also about nurturing a spirit of solidarity and respect within the farming community. And here is the manual process that people use to handle crocodile meat. Under the skilled hands of craftsmen, the manual crocodile meat processing process becomes like an exquisite art. Firstly, The crocodile's skin is carefully separated from the meat and bones, with each step carried out meticulously. Then, each piece of meat is evenly trimmed and tenderized to ensure uniformity in size and shape. This process requires concentration and high skills from craftsmen, but it also creates high-quality products with distinctive flavors and the best nutrition. However, in high-tech facilities, the crocodile meat processing process is automated and remarkably optimized. Crocodile meat processing plants are equipped with advanced technology to ensure efficient and safe meat processing processes. Processing experts use modern equipment to remove the skin, extract the meat, and process crocodile meat accurately, ensuring high food safety and quality standards. The process of exporting crocodile meat from Brazil to other countries is conducted meticulously to ensure the safety and quality of the products. First, after the crocodile meat is processed and packaged according to standards, these products undergo strict quality checks by Brazilian authorities. After being inspected and certified, crocodile meat is transported to major seaports, such as Santos or Rio de Janeiro, where they are loaded onto specialized transport ships. This transportation process requires tight management and continuous monitoring from transportation companies to ensure that products are not damaged or lost during the journey to their destinations. Upon arrival, crocodile meat continues to undergo food safety checks at the import ports of destination countries to ensure that the products meet hygiene and food safety standards. Professional preservation and packaging measures are implemented to ensure that crocodile meat maintains its quality and freshness during transportation. Finally, crocodile meat is distributed to restaurants, supermarkets, and food stores worldwide, where consumers can enjoy the distinctive flavor and nutrition of this unique food from Brazil. Through this process, crocodile meat from Brazil has proven its position and reputation in the international market. Crocodile meat usually has a relatively mild flavor similar to poultry or salmon. Additionally, this type of meat is a rich source of protein, containing various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, niacin, zinc, and iron. Crocodile meat typically has a low saturated fat content. Consuming less saturated fat can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases and health issues related to fat. Although crocodile meat contains a certain amount of cholesterol, it also contains unsaturated fatty acids, which can help reduce cholesterol levels in the blood and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Crocodile meat often has a unique and diverse flavor, bringing freshness to consumers' palates. This can stimulate creativity in preparing dishes and provide a unique culinary experience. And you may not know that crocodile meat is processed into many other incredibly appealing dishes. In cuisine, crocodile meat is used to create rich and attractive dishes. Crocodile sausages, made from ground crocodile meat combined with delicate spices, make each sausage piece attractive and flavorful. Grilled crocodile, with its distinctive flavor and tender meat, is often served with optional sauces, creating a unique culinary experience. Moreover, hearty crocodile soup with various vegetables provides a warm and relaxing feeling with every sip. Stir-fried crocodile, when combined with delicious spices and fresh vegetables, creates a nutritious and appealing dish. Finally, crispy fried crocodile, with its crispy exterior and tender, fragrant meat, is always a popular choice for a delicious light meal. All of these dishes not only bring unique flavors, but also demonstrate diversity and creativity in cuisine. Please hit the like button, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments section to support us. If you're curious or want to join us on any journey, feel free to share in the comments. Don't miss out on the chance to discover more exciting content by subscribing to the channel now. See you all in the upcoming videos. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and have a fantastic day.